Catherine Rubiak, and this is Visual Frameworks 1407, and this is my week 2 go-to training review. As far as this week goes, JSON data to me is fairly simple. I actually pulled up an example of my JSON from my project 3 in Scalable Data Infrastructures. I had actually just recently bought a car, so I went with the car theme. But I brought it up so I can run it too. Pretty easy. JavaScript works. This is for the rest of it. This is irrelevant. But this is what my JSON output into the console when I made it last time. So I think that will be a fairly simple addition for this class. I'm not too concerned about that. I still cannot get my Android SDK to install. My Titanium will not update to the latest version still. So someday, hopefully, it will force update and that will be the end of it. But until then, I'm kind of stuck running only Android, or only iPhone, excuse me. And I wish I could run Android because that is the device I currently am using as a cell phone. So I would love to run it on my phone and be able to use the full interactive features of my first native app. As far as last week's project and splitting it between the two files, this is reversing it, I think, would just be too much work as far as sharing data between the two files and calling variables from here into here and exporting. So I think I'm gonna just kind of ignore that. I feel like it's tedious, and in the real world, if I was working in the field, that's not how I would choose to do it. So it's good to know, definitely, just in case, in the future I'll have to look at someone else's work and see, oh, where the heck did they put this? It's good to see where it comes from, but I don't think I will be using it anytime soon. But yeah, JSON data should be okay. It's the only thing I'm concerned about is the code itself right in here. I feel like that part will take me the longest just because creating all the variables can get slightly confusing. But other than that, I think I will be all set. This is my week 2 go-to training review, and thank you.